Hmm. It appears and that we're back. We're back. We actually are doing another stream. Um, we might only have 3 days left, but that should not stop me. So, we did a little bit of off-camera work, okay, to say the least. I'm not gonna make a big announcement or anything, but... Hey, Minato, welcome to the stream. We did a little bit of off-camera stuff, okay, to say the least. I mean, we do have to give the project already in 3 days. The project is due in already, I mean, realistically 2 days. So now we're just trying to, you know, make everything fancy. We didn't add a new game mode except rune collectors, but that one isn't nearly finished yet. Like it's that the guys are still building on it. Which is why we're just gonna do polishing. Maybe we'll find that yes, maybe Yasin is online, maybe not. I don't know. Is he? is Yasin here? I don't think he's here. Either way. How did I do the use camera in this one? Or like... Ah, Build Battle doesn't have a use camera. How did I do the use camera in Boxfight? I just did it after the player... Does that make sense? Yes, it does make sense. So yeah, sure. Let's just copy it over into Bouncy Box. Wherever the spawn player is. Ah. Same. Then we'll do it once active. We don't need this as this is included in the loading timer now. Although... Okay, so since we're not awaiting... So this has to go obviously somewhere. But I wanna keep this in a context that will not block the code. I should just put it somewhere and see what happens, to be honest. So we have the 5-second loading. I do not want to block for each player, so what instead we're gonna do, instead of the loop, we're gonna do for each player. Okay, why? Because for each, this is a function, okay, so each individual function will have its own call stack instead of, you know, the call stack being from this function alone, meaning that if we use the code in this one, this wait ticks function will not block for all the players, but rather for each player individually. So yeah, that is, I think, what we want. We did a little bit of funsies for anyone with who might be sensible to light. I'd recommend turning off the stream right now, because it's gonna get pretty funny, pretty bright. Yeah, so yeah, anyone who's sensible to light, please turn off. That would be a good time. There we go. So, please. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. What? Oh, this was the wrong game mode. Supposed to choose 4. Yeah, this game mode isn't implemented, obviously. Bouncy bug. Woo! Oh, this isn't supposed to happen, obviously. Up den issue. Nice. No, no, what was that? What was that? Oh my god. So not only was the rotation like messed up, I mean, is there like a facing direction? I've never used camera command. Facing location, there we go. I've never used the camera command. I have never used the camera command. That's crazy. Also, I'm gonna make an announcement. Alright, No! No! He found the rat! Like a thing Nikita found the dancing rat. Oh my god. I didn't got it from here though. But isn't that rat just peak? Isn't the rat just peak? Pure peakness? We all love the rat. Be honest. Who doesn't like the rat? The rat. The rat. Anyway, so I did mess something up apparently. I blocked on something where I shouldn't block. At least that's how that looks. Use loading timer, makes sense. Timer, we start the timer here, okay. We always tick the timer, right? While active. Display dot update display. So interval, which interval? Do I have things that I do not wanna mention? Why did I do it like that? I mean, hey, whatever. I have no idea what. Again, people with photosensitivity, now would be a good time to turn off the stream. Okay, so no, this is correct. What? Look. Okay, no, I'm not confused. You are. No, I'm not confused. You are. What just happened? Okay, so first of all, I need to. There is a check somewhere here. Yeah, we do not want to end the game mode. Okay. We do not want to end game mode when you know you would actually win. That's the first thing. Second thing is, are we getting teleported already here? We're getting to. Okay, so why was our character not there? Why was our character? Why was our character? I mean, that's okay, right? Just loading. Be the last team standing, okay. Yeah, no, that's okay. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. No, this is kind of good. Oh, I forgot how fun bouncy box is. Nah. I love bouncy box, guys. You can say anything you want, it's peak. Just bouncing. It's so much fun. Anyways, I think I'm getting lost. Also, the model is kind of... We need to change it a little bit, I guess. But yeah, I wanted in the cutscene so that these things like spawn and just bounce off the wall. It's like inside the cutscene. We're gonna fix the model later on today. Also, let's make them not spawn inside my face, but like slightly offset. Okay. I think that we should indeed spawn them slightly offset. There's somewhere an item use event. Somewhere in the events tab, kill event, item use event, there we go. Where will we spawn the item? There. Source head location. Gonna 3 utils.add. On this, we're gonna add the source.add location. No, whoa. U direction? Yeah. So it's like 1 unit away from your face, okay? And obviously we have to start bouncy box. Ooh. Alright. So now it's gonna load. But this loading timer is fake, okay? It's just so that we don't get unloaded chunks error. Why? There was so few. Yeah, see, I mean, now they spawn like right in front of your face. There's like a small delay before they get like the desired velocity, no? So they fly a little bit weird, don't they? Does anyone know how to fix that? I know I've seen like a video about that. Or not a video, but like someone mentioning the this issue. This mod is peak though. Regardless of... Maybe if we have like a particle there, it won't like, you know... Like, how was the warden particle called? No, don't make me die. Whoa! Whoa. They listen to me. They listen to me. How was the warden particle called? Like the boom particle. Warden. Warden Daken? No. Sonic Blast. Sonic Explosion, this one. Because it's also kind of delayed. Get it? We're just gonna do crotch.dimension.spawn particle. This one. We're gonna do project location. No, but what is this copilot? Whoa. I said, what is this copilot? And that's a variable map. We don't need no variable map. We don't need no variable map. Hello, City Abdul. We're also gonna have to fix the rotation of this thing. I didn't implement it, just for the record. I did not implement that. Also, I have no idea where the bouncy balls are spawning, but... It's somewhat. Yeah, I mean... It's a little big, right? But... Just get the point. Because... I mean, at least you don't see that they, like, have a tick delay. Which is good. I think this is usable. Ah! Bouncy box in a nutshell. Yeah, so for the cutscene, I want to make it so that just those bouncy balls like fly, you know, into like all random directions. Like I feel like it's not enough. I feel like it's low-key not enough. I feel like it's low-key not enough. Because I didn't see any. Right. Now watch it. That was one. Guys, I saw one. I saw one. Where did the rest go? Oh, shit. Oh. They spawned over the map, probably. That's what I'm thinking. And... I mean, there were two. A bronze to oh. Not okay, there were two, but not 20. I saw two. As a supply impulse, it's not strong enough. It's not strong enough. Am I... Is my logic not logicking here? I'm just spawning all of the 20 at once now, instead of delaying them. I think that's... I mean, I'm gonna rework the logic into maybe a generator? So we just spawn as many as we can. Nah, this is... I mean... What? Oh, it knocked me back. Because I was... Yeah, I mean... Okay, we have to make sure that this doesn't happen. Like, before the game even starts, that, like, knocks back people. So, random velocity. Well, what do you think this does? What do you think this does? Okay, those were a little bit too many. Let's do 10, maybe? But yeah, that is basically doing that. It's spawning them in the center with random velocity. Alright. So. We're gonna, yeah, so I got knocked back. Did you see that, guys? So... Yeah, so we just have to literally check for is active. We literally just have to check for is active in the interval. In this one. Or is not active. That's it. So now, while the game is not active, it won't knock us back. It's perfect for the cutscene at the start. Although we will have to make the thingies lava immune. Which component makes them not burn? Like, not have the burn effect itself? Also, they should respawn, despawn once they're on ground. Oh! That logic is handled here. We cannot use is active here. Because that will just get removed here, so... And we still want them to bounce, right? So all we need to do is... realistically to... And is active. Right. 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 Yes, yes. Show me. Now this should look good, I hope. I mean, it's a little... It's a little... Maybe it's a little too much. Maybe it's a little too much. Let's make like, I think 7. Okay, and now I wanna get rid of the lava thingy. Does someone know a runtime identifier, which is not a projectile but makes them immune of lava and is not something static, meaning like armor stand or ender crystal? Hold up. I don't think... No, minecarts have shadows. What other thing does not have a shadow? What other thing does not have a shadow? We can still try, right? So, I need there to be no shadow and also no lava, yeah, particle arrows. Well, it's armor stand cannot have velocity and arrows are projectile. Yeah, so see, most of the entities actually just, or most of the runtime identifiers just shit themselves. The problem with arrows is that projectile, and projectiles don't like some things. And and how is it called? Arrows spawn. Arrows do spawn particles. Maybe it looks good. Who knows? Yeah, they take no knockback at all. They take like no knockback at all. But it does make the self-blasting like clean. You don't have to look down anymore. Which is not necessarily good, but it makes for an interesting game mode as well. Yeah, no. Snowball. Without a projectile component, most of the projectile identifiers are basically useless. And we cannot have a projectile component because the inertia is just very fucked up on them. And I don't know why. Because I've tried for a whole stream to do that, okay? I've tried fixing the inertia. Yet see that they don't take any knockback. What the hell? There was a guide to remove shadows on wiki.bedrock.dev. Shadows. I just realized we don't need a collision box at all. They don't collide with anything. We're doing that all over scripting. They don't need a collision box. So maybe that gets rid of the lava and the shadow? Oh. That was a reload all. Also guys, how has Christmas been? I haven't been on for a while, right? Obviously Christmas was due. So how has it been? Yeah, see? I mean, they do get red, but like, I think that's better. Okay, and then at the end of the camera, I wanna despawn all of them, so... Or like dim.get entities, type, not ever free, yeah, there we go. Why did I reload all? I don't know. But, you can now force the game mode. Now let's see. Da-da-dum. Come on. I mean, I guess. Wait, they do still bounce off walls, right? Yeah. Look at that though. If I like aim up even slightly. Okay, not even slightly, but like. They fly so weird. There, like, why did it just go up? Like that's not how velocity works, is it? It is so weird. I don't believe it's my logic. I can't believe it. Like this is okay. This is also okay, but like as soon as you like get slightly upwards, it's like, what is this? Can't be my logic. It's gotta be Minecraft. I don't believe it's me. We're just scaling my vector, my view direction, 4 times. I don't understand. It behaves like I'm scaling the Y component more than the other components of the vector. Why? Why? To be fair though, it does work. Oh, did I kill myself? Oh. Yeah. So the game obviously won't end because I disabled that feature for development purposes. Rapu, 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 rapu. But the animations seem like it's going up. Animation? They're just spinning. It's literally just a... It's literally just a spin, isn't it? Yeah, it's just... I mean, it's not modifying anything on the y-axis at all. I don't think it's an animation issue. Like you can see my how's it called, my crosshair, right? Like here it's like normal. Yeah, it's a little bit over it, but like once we're getting here, what's gravity value? Gravity has no value. It's not a projectile. It's an entity. Yeah, that's quirky. I mean, I don't really mind it, but like, why? This is the code for it. This is all of it. It's like we have 2 sounds, the cooldown obviously, and then we have the rotation and just I'm just literally scaling it by the view vector. The particle is fine. Yeah, we're just offsetting it. It's this part. Like, why? I'm just gonna reduce it. I have to start the game again. Okay. Also, we should probably give the projectiles here a little bit more sideways movement. Yeah, so look at that. Even with that little velocity, it still does that. Does it look at least normal in like third person? I mean, I guess it does. Okay, but it needs to be more. Okay, so this one, let's make this one a little bit more extreme. Honestly, I would even go like to 10 and 5 because it's random values. On the hand animation, we're gonna fix later. I don't even know why that's happening, to be honest. I didn't implement it. The third person looks fine. How about we call it a feature? Yeah, it's a feature, so you can snipe people that are on top of those things more easily. It's a feature. I mean, the mode is still omega fun. No one can take that from me. Although, maybe we should make low fire? I think with that much fire, it's, yeah, a little bit weird. Let's look into the animation, because visuals is all that matters. Attachables... Textures default. I hate that they don't make this into like the texture folder. Why are they putting it inside of here? Once we do PG, it definitely exists. Okay, the texture is not the problem. Thanks, useless extension. Thanks. Render the default. Okay, so it's probably. Can I just click on this? Yes, I can. UV rotation. Hello, locksmiths. Welcome to the stream. are... Why is it positioned that way? It shouldn't have any rotation at all. I think this was made for the third person, right? No bonds, obviously, but that's I'm fine with that. Yeah, so the problem with that is that this is the reason why there are so many weird offsets. So first of all, you have to center the pivot, reset all of the positions, and we can see what's what? I'm sorry, what? Oh, but I am allowed to move it. What has happened? Whoa. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again, guys. I maybe know why it's like a little bit offset. No. Let's try again. Let's try again. Okay. So, position. No X. No Y. Keeps doing that. I don't like that. It's probably setting the position for all of them here. Why is it doing that? Oh, but I can modify those ones without anything. Oh, that's good. But as soon as but look, I can use the slider here to do it, but as soon as I try to make my own value, it like, what? Okay, sure, I'm using block benches thing. Why not? Oh no, it does transpose. Even with block benches thing. So did it transpose this way also? It did. Oh my god. Doing the animation to rotate. Yeah, but that's really good. Yeah, so first of all, I mean, rotating is fine as long as we have the pivot centered. Okay, we can position it. Maybe it was just a pivot div. Maybe it was just a pivot. Okay, so we want it to be halfway into the hand, right? So like that. How do I edit bindings? Oh wait, there's already a binding. So it's worse. But why is it worse? How about none? I want to see without a binding. How about none? In the animations tab, my goal is to do it without animations. Do we even have animations for this one? We don't. Yeah, without a binding it's like completely broken. I hate attachables, guys. I already tell you that. Okay, so let's add the binding back. The last time I did like attachables like that was when you had to attach them to the player. First person? Like why is it that way? Why is it that way? I don't get it. Why? Like why does it position itself to be that way? Especially since it doesn't let me rotate the way I want to. Look at those rotations. What is this? Explain to me, why is it doing that? That doesn't make any sense. But it makes it... Ew. What is this? Global, please. Okay, so the player would be here, right? So it would be like there. I don't have a... And copy the values over to the model. I'm just... What is snapping on it? I have no idea, dude. I don't do attachables, okay? I only do at most models and animations, but not attachables. That is just so weird. Let me guess. I mean, to be honest, I like it when it's like slightly rotated. Maybe slightly rotated this way, right? Everyone knows that, right? So, what I'm not getting is why it's doing that. I mean, it just seems so extra from Mojang's side, okay? I'm gonna be really honest. Also, one day I will submit a pull request to fix this broken extension. Holy shit. There's no way that Blockception is so ass. Like... Come on, dude. First person... Q is first person. Right. Perfect. I love dealing with this. So now tell me, what did I do wrong? Yeah, what did I do wrong? I mean, I'm just gonna animate it all the time because why not? But like, what did I do wrong? The binding is there. The animation, first person, entity. Why are there keyframes that are here? Oh. What are those for? Why is it doing that? Yeah, so this sets them back into the normal position. I'm sorry, what? Oh yeah, that's definitely how I want to look. Holy, holy, this is. Context that is first person. Why can't I use a query for that? Either way, it should always animate it. Method 1, attached to the skeleton. Yeah, that's what I always did. It's still doing that. Bound to a bone. Yeah. How about we're doing it the old methods? No. No. How about we're doing it the old methods? We're just gonna call this one right item. And because it's bound to the player already, doesn't need this. We'll basically snap towards the player's bones. We also don't need this dog shit thing. Like, who decided just that this was easier than just doing it to a bomb? We just move the model into place instead of playing it in animation. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Require child animation not found. I guess we're not allowed to not have scripts. Fine. What? Oh, it's the animation itself. I see. Yeah, well, go fuck yourself. I'm just going to reload all. It's slightly faster. It's like... Note has few two children. Was? See? That is like infinitely better than whatever the fuck the context bone snapping was, dude. This is already infinitely better because it's already working in third person and first person. No? Like, isn't this just infinitely better? What are you yapping about? No, thank you. Like, who thought of this new method? Why would anyone prefer that? This seems... The hand though in third person? Yeah. It is. I mean, that is fixable with animations really easily, right? You don't need to spend 2 million hours of like trying to get offsets. We can literally just add animation here. And now the offsets don't have to be that crazy. They can literally just be a bit of rotation. Oh, I said a little, little bit of rotation. And that's it. We don't have to do all of that stuff. No? Am I wrong? And now we can do again animations. First person. Yes, scripts, animate. I'm just gonna animate first person always, just so we can, no? You don't like that? Is that not the fancy boom? Oh, I see. I see. I think it rotated, but the wrong way. Yeah, we don't care about third person. And it's the other way around, isn't it? I think it's I think it's the other way around, right? I can't tell. What if I just... You know what if I just... Oh, it doesn't move at all. Huh. Because we're modifying the wrong animation. This is not the animation we're modifying. Because we changed the name, remember? What if I just... give it a little bit of a flip? Okay, I'm convinced it doesn't change at all. I'm convinced. God damn it. Then how do I position it right? Maybe we'll not choose right arm, because as I remember, right arm has like a very weird rotation. I need the default player geometry. I can't, where would I be able to find it? I must have downloaded it somewhere. I mean, I know it's somewhere on Wiki of BEDROCK Dev. Yeah, so there's right arm. Can use this bone instead. In my experience, it doesn't have as weird of an offset as the other ones. Okay, I get it. Yeah. What the hell? I mean, to be fair, realistically, the animation would be like here, right? Because right arm. Right? I see why no one else on my team wanted to do this. Holy shit, this is painful. This is painful. But I modified the position. Do I have to have the pivot like separately, like down here? Oh, that's the exact opposite. But that's something. Sure. Maybe the pivot wants to be like here, where the arm normally would be, you know? Because that's the arm, right? Right? Dude, this is so embarrassing, dude. Holy. I mean. Now if I would have the default player model, this would be easy. But we don't. Name it to right item. I tried right item is worse. Right item is way worse. It's so worse. It's so much more worse. In fact, that I... Arm? Please? Didn't I rename it earlier? Help? Also, I'm gonna center the pivot. Wait, the pivot is already centered, what? But what did I change? I don't get it. Ugh. That's good because he used MC item hold. So, the rotation and stuff is fine, right? At least in third person. I need to get the player model. I need to get the player model. Where is the player model? Wiki.bedrock.dev. It's gotta be a player model somewhere. Like if I just search player geometry. This? I mean, this is not all of it, I think, but should be enough. Player.json. Dude, I just need a AI that Googles for me. Like, find stuff like this. Okay. Whoa, 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 what? Why? Huh? Sorry, what? Oh, camera. God damn it. There we go. So, realistically, this thing would need to be somewhere. Or I just need the offsets, right? I don't need to offset this thing itself. I just need right item. Just need to copy down the pivot point. So 6, 15, 1. Right? We have a pivot here. So also gonna do it. 6, 15, and 1. Should be. Oh my god. 6, 15, and 1. But I only changed the pivot. Dude, why is animations... Should I make custom server form buttons? I'm gonna be honest, JSON UI might be easier than whatever this is. JSON UI might unironically be easier than whatever this is. Because I cannot see any logic in here. In JSON UI I see the logic, it's just stupid. But I legitimately cannot see any logic in this. I think it's... Okay, let's start over. We need a fresh start, okay? Let's center all the pivots. All of them. For some reason they're all there. I don't know why. Let's center them all. Let's start over. We don't need you guys here. We need y'all on your position. And then let's go over the guide one by one and see what the issue is. Right. Look at those weird pivot offsets. Where are they coming from? Yeah, now they're normal. Okay, now I can move this model around without any problems, okay? So, we're gonna do no bindings. Okay, no bindings. No fancy bone names. No animations, okay? Nothing. Literally just nothing. I want to change the value. I don't know. I want all of them to be sent. Okay. So it spawns somewhere, which is good. I mean, that position is way better than it was previously, right? I think it might just be the weird pivots that caused this. Okay. Wiki.bedrock.dev. Attachables. Yep, we have that. Attachable definition. Nice. I'll give it the binding effect. I'm gonna give it the binding effect. Main hand. We're just gonna give it the binding. Just the binding. Working on in stream. I know what I... Oh no. I accidentally saw bouncy box. I swear, if this is like a rickroll or something in the BB model. Yeah. Okay, but it's offset. It has a right hand binding. Anti-animations. Set them up in the first person. Can I? This is the state, right? How does it get from... I don't know. I don't understand where this rotation is coming from. I'm trying to make sense of it, not... Like, okay, I mean, I could just try out every random value, but like, why is it the way it is? That's why I don't understand. Okay, with the binding effect, like that. It's offset a lot. Make the pivot on the handle of the gun. I don't understand. Why is it the way it is? Why is it positioned exactly here with exactly this rotation? This is what I'm not getting. At the handle of the gun. No. That should not... So that would be the view from the first person, I guess. Would be the third person view. What? No. It's just how we are viewing it. Okay, maybe I'm getting it here. Hold up. So, look, the camera was set that way for a reason, right? So, meaning I have to now somewhat position this to be correct. Or what? Myself, with those weird values, like, so that it makes sense for me. Like, third person... Yeah, so... Why is the pivot there? Like, I get it. We can probably just Boots, 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 okay? That is the third person thing. Get it. That's easy. The third person thing, easy. But what's up with the first person? Why do I have to use so many weird values? Animation, third person. Boots. Yeah. Third person. Animation bound, third person, okay? Well, let's just, for example, animate third person. So, it should now be correct in third person because Workbench said it would. Yeah. And now in first person, it's just a little bit rotated. It looks fine in third person, which is good. And we need a first person. Like, help me make sense of this. So the TPP is the default rotation. I change the review of the animation. I know that we're only changing the rotation. But like, I'm trying to see how this value produces this outcome. From which angle am I viewing this at? And can I just rotate it? I'm gonna animate first person now. Just first person. We can... Well, it's like my first person. Does like it. No, like it rotated, but like in a very weird way. This is... I think Burger shows you where the model will be on your player, if I'm not mistaken. I just changed rotation and it changed its position in Minecraft. You know? I also would think that. I mean, I also have hold up, I just downloaded the player.json, right? Maybe it can help us. I mean, yes, third person. That makes sense, okay? I see what Blockbench is doing here. I see it, okay? But what's up with first person? Assuming this is the camera, wouldn't have the model be rotated like this? No. Because... Because why? What's entity, by the way? I don't know. Hello, dingus. Second folder source code. It's like flipped. It's like the exact opposite. Meaning, if I flip it this way, will it now go up? No, but it changed the other rotation. What? It changed the other rotation. What? Meaning, if I like choose this component, like if I rotate this, what's gonna happen? Guys, this is like gambling, okay? If I change the... Nothing? Was my regolith constantly erroring out? No errors. Okay, now this is gonna be a fun one. What happens if we position it down? What should go up? What should go up? Watch it. It rotated? So if we make it go to the left, will it go down? It will! Make it make sense, dude! Oh, or not? Well, it's left. What is this? What is this shit? Didn't I just undo the change? What? I just undid the change. Undo. Undo. Undo, man. I just undid the change. Didn't I? I'm convinced that attachables aren't real. Let's start over. Let's create a keyframe for position and rotation. Okay. Maybe that's what we missed. Maybe that's just what we missed. You see, I don't even believe that my regolith is working. Fist person. Oh, I can be a fist person if you want. Send you a video and bow. Okay, let's see this. 2 minutes! Okay, we have the rotation. Item third person. Yep. We did that. Third person is fine, yeah? Okay. Was it anything 3D? Yeah. When we change it in the model, it goes down. Okay. Got it. We get that. But we don't necessarily want to do it by changing the model's position, so we're doing it with an animation. So far I'm with you. And it's always changing it relative to the arm. Yeah. So far I'm with you. I mean, loop or play once, it doesn't matter, right? Okay, the first person. Hold on a second. Yeah, but this only works because you have the values in the first person. From the third person offset. And you're doing that with animation controllers. Well, it's also interesting. Okay. Well, this would probably work. I still don't know. So this would be my position. Why I have to have the model offset at the like third person location when it's just essentially this. I can find documentation on the UI to modify the server form and background. Documentation is not what you're looking for. You're looking for examples and anything other than documentation. Documentation is only for people who already know what they're doing. Just look at other packs. Okay, I'm gonna save this now because, well, third person animation, but third. But we're doing it like he did, okay? So what he did is and follow the video. I just think this is a very bad standard. I think it's a very bad standard that you like how is it called? Need to change the model, like the positioning of the model, in order to make the animation work. I think that is very bad. I don't think this is a good method. I do not think this is a good method. If I have to change the position of the model, essentially, then what is this? Can I view the whole file, please? No? Okay, thanks. By the way, links will not be displayed in chat, I think. I don't know why. Is this the new or the old file? This is the old file, I suppose. Looks like it. No, it was not the old file. Well, then we're gonna fix it on our own then. Okay. So, instead of like normal person would with animations, we're just gonna do it the BEDROCK way. Because, well, it's always good when you work off the grid. Right? So this is why it's like up here. Or did you move the pivots and not the model itself? I have to check. To me it looks like they're pretty much aligned. It's not moving anything. Yeah. So it's fine, right? We're not moving pivots or anything magical, we're just literally positioning the model. This would be our third person animation, which we don't need, by the way. We only need the first person animation. Then we go into first person, look at it in the first person. We change this to be how we want it to be. I mean, actually, I kind of want it to be like that. No? Like, just... It's maybe like, you know, like this, maybe. Like, I just think the old methods better. I cannot think of one singular reason why this method would be better, except the fact that you don't have to name your bones like the player model. I do not believe that this is somehow better than just attaching it to the bone. Like, look at this. I have to. If I want to add a cube, I have to add it here. Why? Anyways, let's just continue. So first person, and we only animate first person. Also, this context thing doesn't make sense. But why is it not query, man? Probably because its query is just for the entity it's targeting. Never had to use context, by the way, so that maybe explains. Context definition. What is a context definition? And wait, this should be bound to the right. To the right hand, or is it right item or is it main hand? I think main hand. I mean, it should be the same, regardless. Okay. Where does the context come from? How do you define a context? Without changing the model. But that's what I did. Now this is not what I did. Or like, I didn't position it. Oh, but that's what I did, didn't I? I mean, yes, you're doing it with animation controllers. Like, that's what I did. That's what I did beforehand. Like, that's what I tried to do. You're sure it works in game? I don't care about speed anymore. I'm trying to understand it, so I won't do this mistake again. What was I? Yeah, so query over context. But let's try that. It'll work like that. But that's how I did it beforehand. Okay, I'm gonna do what I did in beforehand. You're gonna tell me where I'm making the mistake, okay? Where I'm making the mistake. Cannot undo, sadly. But luckily we have this. Okay, so the model is here, that's fine. Animate. We have two animations. A third person animation. Let's look like this, okay? So once we are loading the third person animation. Hey. I'm doing it with a query because I have no idea what contexts are. Third person. Which is just query that is first person, but not like that. Wait, no. So, but this part works. It positions the item correctly. Doesn't it? Like, in third person. That is what I thought would be right. You're mixed up in your first person? Oh, sorry? What? Hey, question. I saw watching your JSON series. For some reason, the UI from it doesn't seem to open on mine, and if it changes the syntax, I'm asking because I don't get any errors. No, there are no changes. It should work just fine. You literally just guides up there. Samples. One. Download. Open. Create new. Activate. Activate. Oh my god. It works, see? So my JSON UI pack is not broken. I don't know what you did there. This is latest version of Minecraft. So it seems to be working now, no? Third person, yes. But I want to know how to position the first person. That's the thing I'm not getting. It's like a mirror image of what it actually is. I mean, this is first person. This is... I kinda see it, but at the same time I don't. Like, this is not exactly this. Why? Wish me luck. Alright, good luck, dude. I mean, I have all the code on skiles.de if you need to check. But I can assure you nothing updated itself. Anything above in Blockbench? Yeah, I did. So, I wanted to rotate it right. So we rotated right. Okay. Save. And obviously, we need to register the animation. First person created is the first person. I don't know what context does. I don't know why we need context. Maybe in animation controls that's different, but... Then rotate. Is the animation playing at all? Let's test. Is the animation playing at all? This is a test. You know, maybe I just don't have regular running, you know. Who knows? Is the animation playing at all? Is that what we need context for? Okay. I'm starting to see something. So where does context come from? Ah, they can just use it. They can just use it. Although they do use a different item render, they do use a different render controller in Bedrock Wiki. So if not is first person or context. What? Now it's not complaining about context? Unrelated. Sure. Sure. What? Oh wait. No. What's the default thing for enchanted textures? Oh. I think it was this. Sure, Minecraft. We're gonna give you an enchanting thing. Yeah. Well, at least it's correct in third person. Now, why do those have values at all? Okay, I just wanted to look exactly like in Blockbench, okay? Because as soon as we get the model to look exactly like in Blockbench, we can position it correctly. It's like from here. It's like viewing it from here, but not from here, but like it's actually from here. Whoa. Can you send me the attachable file? What's wrong with my attachable file? What's wrong with the attachable file? What's wrong with the attachable file? But surprisingly, it's not throwing me the context error, right? That, oh, context is not defined or something like that. It's not doing that anymore. all of them. You want all of them. Sure. There you go with the model. There you go with the animation. And, I mean, theoretically you don't need the item, but good luck. Yeah, good luck. So wait. What I'm just confused about is... I'm just doing the most logical thing. Why? I don't think this is logical at all, by the way. I'm gonna be really honest with y'all. I mean, somewhat? Like, if we assume that the... Wait, but the rotation is kind of right, isn't it? Give me a break. Give me a break, dude. This cannot be real. So maybe closer to my face. So closer to my face. I just wanna see how it like behaves in game. When you like... What? I'm gonna make them hold last frame because I don't know. I don't know what this is supposed to do at this point. Guys, what if we I'm just gonna copy over the keyframes from the third person, see how they do in first person, and then I'm just gonna try it out. Okay. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So if I wanna transpose it down, I'm just... What? I made it go down. It tilted to the left side. Can you believe that? Yeah, you should be sorry for the ping. I'm sorry, dude. I won't debug a JSON UI code right now, especially not if it's the whole file. All I can do is just skiles.de. Just skiles.de. Just that's the best thing I can do right now because I have my own issues right now. So does it mean if I move it upwards, will rotate to the right? Because, you know, that wouldn't make any sense. Because, as I said, that wouldn't make any sense. I love animations. I love them so much. Okay, what happens if we turn them left? We turn them left. Yeah. Obviously, I expected that. Obviously. Obviously. I mean, it's the only logical reason, okay? You turn it left. Come on, it's a blaster. Well, why is it so hard to position? Seriously, this is the best thing I've got so far. I just want it to be a little bit different. It doesn't have to be a lot different, okay? Third person it's fine, but like first person, just a little bit different. Just a little bit different. Like I don't even care. I'm just gonna brute force it. I'm just wait, but this does kind of look like in game. Okay, maybe with a slightly different perspective. What is this pivot, by the way? It's disgusting. Can I get the texture? And you can auto-generate the texture, but... Sure. Programming... Okay, source. Oh, sorry. They have it in... Not texture, but rather RT20K and then bounce. Okay, guys. I transposed it slightly, okay? I didn't do much to it. Let's see it in game. Whoop. Look, but I changed this one. What if I change this one? Where did the 90 come from, by the way? How about no? What? Wait, but this is exactly like it is in here. Okay. This is exactly like it is in here. I'm convinced it just didn't save. I'm convinced it just didn't save. I'm convinced it just didn't save. Right? I changed it once. Changed it once. And then I undid it. And then it was broken again. Forever, it seems. Because no matter what I change now, it just won't undo itself. Is it regolith? Can't tell if it's regolith. Oh god. Okay, this is exactly how it looks in Blockbench. Nice. Okay. Now we just need to rotate it so it makes sense to us. Like this. Alright. Alright. My issue. I about switch as a and not as a type ID. The capitalize the D för thumbnail. Well, you could set up your editor to catch that, you know? Like, there are a bunch of guides on how you can have, like, those type definitions. That when you do... Where's a file that I can show you real quick? Where's a file that I can show you real quick? Yeah, for example, player.type ID, right? That you get all of those fancy suggestions. You can set up your editor to do so. Now you don't need TypeScript for that. Yeah, I mean, yes. Okay. I don't know what we did differently this time than all the other attempts, but it's positioning the item correctly. I don't know what we made different. Oh. Maybe it's just an issue with reload all, that it like caches the model. Okay, I mean, that's usable. I have no idea what we've changed. Okay? No, I have 0.00% idea what we've changed. But I mean, I just moved it down, but it didn't move down. Like, come on. Come on, guys. What is this? What is this? Maybe it just needs to be down more? Oh, I already did reload. Man. Did a reload. Well, it won't move down for some reason, but it's working. Smile. Isn't it? I'm just gonna restart Minecraft. Yeah, if it works, don't touch it, is what I like to say. This man knows, guys. This man knows. This man knows. See, now it moved down. Why? I don't know. It's not because of Regolith. It's because of mine. I'm 100% sure it's like something about reload all and caching. That like it's caching the model. Time to make a minor commit. Look, it's in the old position. But I don't trust reload all. I'm sorry, guys. I don't trust reload at all. I feel like this is cursed. Hey, it's good enough. Good enough. No, I cannot show you guys what I'm gonna commit here. I'm not gonna show you guys my commit message. Hey guys. How y'all feeling today? So let's reload all the thing. Took a break for a year. Yeah, it's quite new. It is quite new actually. Like it's actually quite new. Okay, so since this is now done, script event was game. I think it was 4. Well, people with epilepsy, please look away. Ouch. Okay, that is kind of, it is kind of working like it's supposed to work. Nice, 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 nice. A little king, come and stream. Ouch. Ah! Well, but you guys get the point. You guys get the point. Okay, you guys don't see that then. Yeah. Good. So maybe we can improve a little bit on the camera, cause the camera is. Wait, this is not bouncy box. Where's my bouncy box? Here's my bouncy box. Because I don't like how much it's like going down. You know, a little down, it's okay, but like it's a little bit too much. It's a little bit too much. Bouncy box. Are we got really bouncy box? Yes. They're safe. I did save. Okay. I think this is fine. I think we can leave this. Guys, does anyone wanna play around bouncy box with me? Just to test if everything's working. To test for testing purposes. Or like just in general testing, you know? We can do that for all game modes because in 3 days we have to be finished with this whole project. So yeah, for anyone who wants to join, just type your username into the chat and I'll invite you all. All the logic is going out of my brain watching you work with attachable. Man, that's the realest thing I've ever heard. There is no logic. It's Minecraft. We are flying blocks. What do you mean logic? How about other game modes? Does the camera... Okay, well, we're just gonna go through each game mode now. I'm gonna see if the... how's it called? The camera is good. Give to my kids run some runs, but I'd love to help it next time. Okay, that's completely fine, but we only have like 3 days, but it's nice that you'd like to help and good luck with what you're doing. Does things mean anything or is it just it's made up, but I guess you could say that Ding in German means like thing. Just a thing. Like literally just the word thing. So I don't know. It's basically made up. Okay, so this camera is also good. We might have to fix the particles here. That's pretty true, it makes my life easy. It was a reload problem. It was. Oh my god. My logic was not flawed. Like that's assuring me at least. Because, you know, it's telling me that my logic isn't flawed. So, it has to be perfect, okay? This is not perfect. This is... What is this? We need to fix this. Yeah, thought so. It was a reload problem. Okay, I'm never using reload all again. Okay, that's a lie, but... You guys know what I mean. And no, Bridge V2 cannot fix reload all not working. What do I wanted to do? Oh, my stream just... Guys, I think my internet just... I don't think my internet liked me streaming. I don't think my internet is... Oh no! Oh no, what is going on? Am I like downloading something? Oh hell no. This is diabolical. I prefer 1/2. Same. Bridge V1 was just I don't know, it had less animations, it was snappier. It wasn't necessarily faster, but it was snappier. I really love Bridge 1. Yeah, but it's fine now. Back then, Bridge V2 was omega slow. I don't know how it is now. Some people prefer the classics. Not only the classics, but rather because it was so easy working like with other tools. With Bridge V2 these days, it kind of feels like that you have to work around Bridge V2 and not work around your tools that you already have. So this was kind of my point of going off Bridge V2. I did try it. I did like V1. I used V1 for a long while. It was just good that I was able to do scripts and VS Code while I was able to do the other parts in Bridge simultaneously, and I could just hit a reload button. In Bridge V2 that's also kind of possible, but it's I don't know, it's clunky. I don't know how to describe it. It's clunky, dude. I don't know. I don't understand the people using the tree editor. Won't help them learn JSON. Oh, they'll tell that CyberX. I know someone who's gonna tell you that very differently. Dude, I had like a debate with someone. Like he made an 8-hour YouTube video on like me reacting to him. Wait, I gotta show you this. He made the videos members only, but I like have them liked so at least you guys can see them like not talking BS. I think this was in my watch later. Yeah. Yeah, there it is. Okay. So basically, don't look at the other videos, but like, he made this 51-minute video on why he like prefers Bridge V1 and shit. That's completely fine and stuff, but like he was like all for this like toggling tree editor. He was basically saying he's not programming, he's toggling or something like that, which I found like very weird. So I responded to that video, and then he made a response which was 8 hours long. I only watched like 3 hours of it, but I find it crazy. I don't think he's bad or anything. I think he's very good, but like I feel like he's kind of denying what he's doing because, well, he cannot be a programmer. He's using Bridge. Duh. Like it just, I don't know. It's a weird topic. I've said some things that I shouldn't have said. He said some things that maybe didn't make sense. It's all fine now. Because he left the BEDROCK community. I'm sorry. In all seriousness, he was great contributions to the BEDROCK community. Made very high informative videos on like complex topics. There's no channel in BEDROCK that like had like complex topics, like marketplace level complex topics, except here, how is it called? Outlandishly Crafted. But he did also cause a lot of problems in the BEDROCK community. So, hey, everyone to dodge on their own. Imagine block-based visual programming language API for MCBE. There is something like that already. It's called for the education edition. I don't know how it's called anymore, but apparently there is something like that. Doesn't change the fact that he is a developer. Really skilled and helped me out a lot. He knows his stuff exactly. So I'm just confused. Like, obviously he's very skilled and stuff, but like his way on delivering some things is like very weird. Where is he? What have you made in the marketplace? Yeah, so wait, the game is already over? Wait, I assume I reloaded? Did I not? Or did the game mode just not end? Or I like normally it should TP me. Add me, I'll join. I'll add you. You'll join. my game name is just Dingsel. Just Dingsel. Gotta go to sleep. Good luck with all the project. Thanks, man. But have a good sleep. Have a very good sleep. So, after the timer expired, I didn't got TP'd back, right? That was kind of weird. Oh yeah, we want to fix the particles. We want to fix this issue. But the code is getting to a point where it's like, what the fuck are we doing here? What? It's fine, it's fine. So, somewhere we're spawning those particles in. Somewhere, okay? Yeah. So now we're just gonna gamble on which coordinate we need to increase by 0.1. I think that's the best way to fix this error. This one. So let's try to make sense of them. So every one of them, obviously, same height. This is in one direction, this is the other direction, okay? So one needs to be plus 0.01 in either x or epsilon. And the other one needs to be this. Minus 0.01. Stuff on the Monster X Studios, and later I switched over to email creators, which was a bad idea because they decided to only do skin packs later on. Dude. That's my goal, guys. One day I'm gonna get my own marketplace studios and we're gonna do the best things ever. The best, and only the best. I'm gonna have to actually quit and rejoin because the particles won't spawn on otherwise. Like, they won't disappear, rather. One day, guys, oh yeah, Pablo said he's gonna fix this bug. I don't know what he did, but I hope he's fixing that, because that does look diabolical in a bad way. But he said he's gonna fix it, so we'll see. It's loading. I see the crease. I see the crease. Did we move it into the right direction though? That's the question. You guys seeing this crease? I don't think we moved it into the right direction. I think we messed up X and Z. Yeah, this is the Z axis we need to change, not the X axis. So this one needs to be plus. Okay, but that's good information. That's good information. So that means that but the partner program is cancelled right now. No, guys, you guys don't understand. The partner program hasn't been the way to get a marketplace studio for a while now. Like, you need them contacts, and I have them contacts. Because, yeah. Because I have very, very nice people that I'm working with. But yeah, most of the new marketplace developers, like, here, Better on Bedrock, Poggy, right? They didn't fill out an application form either. What do you think they did? They had them contacts. It's always them contacts. That's how I knew how to do it back in my days. Yeah, and that's what many people still think. Which is correct. But it's more about, you know, showing that you're a good addition, I guess. Okay, did we fix the bug? Did we fix them bugs? Them boobies? Yes, this looks good. See, no thingy on this side. Yippee! It's fixed. It's fixed. Now this. And we're gonna leave this in, right? I mean, it doesn't hurt us in any way. But look, it's fixed. It doesn't flicker anymore. Something that Pablo's UI could only dream of. Anyway. That was a little bit mean. Good. Nice. I'm gonna commit that as well. Glow peaks. Okay, where were we? At cameras. Exactly, cameras. Camera for 1. Nice work. Thanks, man. Parkour. Now, I do remember parkour has a camera. Parkour does have a camera. Watch it. Yes, look at this camera. And then you just do the parkour. Guys, I will fail so miserably. Luckily, you don't have to make that jump. So if you guys play this map, don't make that jump. You don't have to make that jump. No! No! But you respawn. This is a respawning parkour. I don't even know if that jump is possible, by the way. It should be, though. Because we have very good builders. Which are also my JSON UI and model devs, so, no. But this time... Oh my god! There we go. Good. So the next game, too. Minefield. Does this one have a camera? This one does not have a fancy camera. Also, don't mind this, those pressure plates being here. That is because I flipped a few values the wrong way around. But no, it is working. Fun fact, those aren't actually pressure plates, those are blocks. Whoa, you did it, what's good? Bomba. Yeah. Yeah, but this one does not have a camera, so let's TP there. Slash TP, I think it was 2000 or 2100. Yep. Okay. Wait, where do you start off? Yeah, here, because of the thingies, yeah. So I would just have a camera that goes like from here and then like goes down here and then just, you know. I think that's cool. Or is it? Because the buildings aren't quite built, you know. So maybe not like a top-down view, but maybe something like this, like from here and then just nah. It has to be like down here somehow. Or we'll do this one, like, or we'll do it like this, you know, that we do it like that. Like just watch the roofs, yeah. Like I think we're just gonna do it like this, you know. Or like this, like we will go here, then we turn like slightly here, like there. Or just like this, you know? But we have to be careful of the roofs. I kind of like Mario Sunshine did it. Okay. I'm just gonna copy over the box fight camera as like a little preset. Into minefield. Are you complete the roofs? I'm not the builder. My builder is currently offline. At least I think. I'm gonna send a little DM. Yo. No, just for yo. So how has everyone's Christmas been? You guys got any nice presents? Maybe you chilled with the family, fam. You know, all that stuff. I actually want the location to be the same, right? I just want the rotation to change. So we'll start off with y like -45 and then we'll go to +45. That's a little much. That's a little bit too much. Let's do 25 and 25. In 5 seconds? Sure. And then we'll just hook this use camera up before the game starts. Like that. Well, I've got a desk lamp, but I had a nice time with fam. That's good. A good nice time is always beneficial. Oh, that's an issue. The F1 screen hides the animation. I might wanna let Pablo know. Does it also hide this? No. There was no camera, was there? There was no camera, was there? How was your Christmas? Well, I didn't really do much with my family, but I got a console. Which I'm pretty much enjoying. I've been playing Ratchet and Clank for the past 3 days. Fucking amazing, the game. So the minefield use camera didn't do stuff, did it? The first to reach the exit. So why did the camera rotation not work? Oh. We ran out of time. Also, I'm gonna let Pablo know that oh, I know what's the issue. I know what the issue is. This has to be... This has to be 100 ticks delayed. The camera. There's 5 seconds loading time and then... yeah. Okay. I told Pablo about the F1 bug. Reload. Pause game. Guys with epilepsy, please look back because it's gonna explode. Yeah. So there's gonna be 5 seconds of loading time. After those 5 seconds have passed. No, that's not how the camera is supposed to work. Stop. 25 and 50 maybe? I'm gonna do a lot of those to get the camera somewhat right. I like the start rotation, but not the end rotation. Doesn't like move at all. Like it has to be at least 90 degrees, right? Like 105 maybe. I know it's not exactly 90 degrees, but I don't want it to be exactly 90 degrees because it's kind of at an angle. Get it? I think that's very realistic for like 5 seconds. I feel like it's not fast enough. Also, we can make it move a little bit down and like start from just a tiny bit up. You know? So there's a little bit more motion. Because we love the motion. Bomba, bomba. Boom. Also, I think we should make the plates a little bit more dense. I was, they're random. They're placed random. No. What was that? Like, why did it move too fast? The other thing moved too slow. Can you invite me? I added you. I'm gonna invite you, but I cannot promise you. Wait, what was your in-game name? I completely forgot again. It was like something long. X. Yeah, I don't. Oh, this one. This one? I think this one. Oh, the animation lagged a bit behind, but the animation was fine, right? And except maybe that it didn't reach the goal quite. Maybe only half a block. Half a block will do it as well. Dude, my eyes are hurting. Why did... Loading. Let's try again. Let's just try again, guys. Let's just try again. Maybe even a little bit faster. Just maybe a little bit faster. I mean, we could just put the easing time down, but I like the other easings. It's just the rotation that isn't quite right. I suppose you need a... Are they right? No, you don't. I mean, I guess this works. Yeah, I think we should make a little bit more mines. Just a little bit more mines. Because you have 2 lives. So if it's bigger, then just a little bit, like 3, 5 maybe? Oh, hi. Welcome to the game. Wait, no, that's not how it's supposed to work. Oh, I think I did. I think I. Wait, there are less mines now. The mines got less. So not only did I mess up the. No, I got second. Okay, not only did I did this thing wrong, right? This has to be bigger. But also somehow I have a timeout which blocks apparently. Which I don't see right now. Why exactly? Also, we can get rid of this timeout. Oh, I love you. Yasin! Hello! What are you doing here? UI series, wish me luck on your system. Thanks, dude. And also thanks for watching my UI series. Skyzot.de, by the way. Yasin, thanks. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. I think it... Maybe it was just me being in the menu. Why does the... I know why. It's probably in the loading timer. Yeah, this should not... This is blocking, but we don't want this to be blocking. So we're gonna do this into a target player for each, because it's blocking and we don't want it to be blocking. So we're just gonna produce a shitload of more... how is it called? Not called stack, just for this. Okay. Also, the spawn locations are kinda messed up, don't you think? Sorry. So let's fix those. Minefield start location. Yeah, the one spawn location is like in a different height. It's like it's different heights. It's like in the different... Okay. Let's do it again. I think this time it will work. I think this time it will work. Promise. Wait, starting? The game choosing? Yeah, it's Pablo cooking. Oh, but why did it that? Oh, I know why it did that. Because now it's not blocking here. Oh, it's doing this correctly, but it should also be blocking here for 100 ticks. I don't like this. but it's probably the best thing we can do. It's probably the best thing we could do. So okay, now it should be fine. Now it should be fine. Loading. There we go. And now we can go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Now the density is even... I mean, mobile players will play this. Funny pattern. But yeah, okay. At least that works. Okay. 2-3. Build battle. I don't think we have a camera for like even a timeout build battle. Yeah, we don't even have a loading timer. It just okay. No, my internet is dying again. My internet is dying. Please don't die, internet. I need you, internet. Yeah, so this one needs a camera. Oh, CT Abdul said something for 1 second and then not. Can I like make the camera go around there and then, you know? I have an idea for the camera. I have an idea for the camera. Get the player device ID and make it for mobile easier. How am I supposed to make it for mobile easier? If I make it for mobile easier, then it's also gonna be easier for PC players. It's supposed to be a team game, you know, not just a map that you can play. Okay. Camera for build battle. Use camera. I'm just gonna copy it from the other games because why not? Yeah, so we need basically 3 no way I'm even supposed to build. Well, it's in the nether. Normally we would make the camera do that stuff, you know. So there's a reason why there's a nether portal. And then you just go around here and then yeah. I think we have to make that clear with like the camera. You can get up there, trust me. Everyone tries to do it with this one. It's crazy, right? Everyone tries to do that with that one. It's very interesting. No one attempts to use the thing. Everyone just forgets about it. Why? Because I would say it's like server brain rot. Because all of the popular servers, or like all the servers, are still using like very old server software and like are always using like 1.8 blocks, you know, and not the new ones. So that's why this thingy never really made it into like any jump and run thingies, because no one really used them. Nice, let's TP to the area. I need to... Oh no! Oh no, I just realized. Oh wait, no, it doesn't matter. Oh wait, this is not the area. It's 3000, 1000, I think? Oh, no, I think it was 1000, 1000. Yes, it was 1000, 1000. So I want to say that that each player has its own cabinet, which is why it will be difficult to do the camera. because of the pack. Okay. But then I realized we can just utilize the first box, basically. You know? So I want from here, okay, I want the camera from here. To go from here. 6 and 28, right? Wanted to go through the portal into here. Or like through the portal would be here, right? This is gonna be crazy animation. Invite me, I will invite you. Fortnite? That's crazy. That's crazy. Playing Fortnite. Fortnite Battle Pants. Oh my god. Why did I just say that? That song is bad TikTok memories. Okay, and then we'll go up here, rotate the camera, and then slow down like here. Or like we can literally just, you know. We can literally just, I think those coordinates are fine. I play Fortnite, I didn't have a Epic Games on. Your account got hacked. Oh no. 16, okay. So those easing times gotta be a lot lower, like maybe 2 seconds. And then the rotation, we'll have to figure that out. So this rotation should be a downwards rotation, right? So we go from 0 to negative like 30, and then we go to positive 30, I think. I don't think if that will look good, I'm gonna be honest, but we'll have to see. So first of all, once active, timer start, blah blah blah. We'll do a wait, loading, use loading timer, 5 and players. We're gonna have to make this function async. And then we're gonna use camera player, and then we await some.wait takes 100. Makes sense. I'm stuck. Hey, it's fine. I'm gonna give you both OP. Don't bother griefing, we have a million backups. Yeah, let's just start the game and see. Now, the rotation is gonna be fucked up. But we're gonna have to see. Oh. Was the other way around, wasn't it? Yeah, so it's loading timer, wait takes, and then we need to use the camera for the players. So players dot for each p. Just gonna use camera. Oh, I mean, I guess we could do this. I think this is very elegant. Build battle. I feel like a lot of people are gonna fail this one. I'm not spectator. Oh, what? What just happened? I'm sorry, what? Those were not 100 ticks. What? So, first of all, let's just always set the game auto spectator. Then after that, we're just gonna... Okay, we need to do this one. We need to do it with P. Oh, I see why. It didn't make sense. Why are we blocking on here? Why are we blocking on the timer? If we could just do this instead. So we wait, then we use the camera. And then we set the player's game mode. Now I cannot use this because I'm in the scope. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh wait, this is an arrow function, I can use this. Oh my god. This issue is only because of TypeScript. It doesn't make sense. I have cheat items of the game. Yeah, because this is not the... This is a developer mode. The camera looks really bad, I'm gonna be honest. Maybe because I'm not allowed to... Yeah, because I'm doing them right after another, right? This sucks. Don't wanna... Like... Ouch. Like this. Not 5 seconds, but rather 40. Right. So now the camera should do something. This looked very bad. Also my stream is lagging again, nice. This is not right. This is definitely not right. Can I just make the camera go from this to like the other side? No, it was lagging. It wasn't lagging for me. Oh, the animation maybe? Yeah, if you're in a menu, then yeah, that might be a little bit problematic. That's not my bad, ask Pablo. We're also gonna make it facing. We're just gonna use 2 cameras and go through the wall because we don't want to spoiler the jump and run. And that's the reason. And not because I absolutely suck with the camera command. This 5 1. It's gonna keep the rotation the same. Maybe 2 paintings are a bit too much. I mean, it's not like we cannot change it, but like... Oh, the easing time needs to be... Yeah, the easing time needs to be way, way, way higher. And the rotation is like... What if... It didn't face the location that it was supposed to face. Probably because it's like being overwritten by the rotation. But we can do a little bit of rotation. We can rotate. We can rotate. Now. That looks very buggy. I'm just thinking of if we should just basically teleport without easing. Meaning... So we're gonna ease this one. And go just a tiny bit up. And to the... Yeah, and decrement this by like 2. Do this like 2. We gotta put it in the system.run again. I don't use system.run for what it's supposed to do. I'm using this like as a additional scope. So I can like detach time mods from the main loop. I'm gonna wait 2 seconds here. And then this is not gonna have any easing. Then this one's gonna have easing. And there's also 7 and then like 1. Well, I don't think we need them facing locations. Wait, did I modify the facing location and not the... Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. No, like this, and then we're just gonna also ease with ease. But do it like 3. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah. Should I make it spread equally? I think I should. Also, the rotation is fucked up. It's fucked up. There's no point in following, except on my YouTube. So for anyone who isn't subscribed, subscribe. Wait, how much? Wait, X is the wrong coordinate. I'm supposed to rotate them on Y because on a two-dimensional plane, X is actually. Oh, dude. We'll see. I mean, this is interesting. Show me. It's connected. Because of my internet. My internet does not like me today. Oh. So this is not quite it. Maybe like 60. I'm sorry guys, but this has to be a lot of testing. We don't have that much time yet, and the fact that we still don't have the last map does not make it good. Okay. That was okay. That was okay. That was cool, yeah. That was okay. I think we can leave that in. Guys, did anyone watch the timer? Was the timer correct? Like, did it only start counting once the game started? I'm gonna test that again, real quick. Be careful of the timer. So there isn't even a timer before it begins. Okay. And the timer just disappeared. Okay. Yeah, I thought so. What a surprise. Because while we're updating the display, we're not updating the display once active. You know? I'm gonna use an interval or something like that, man. Please, just let me do it otherwise. Can't just like display handler question mark and then just display dot update display. I think this would be the easiest way, so we can pass in an optional display. So in box fight, right, instead of Once active. So we have this weird timeout here which updates the display, does it? No, we don't update. What? Then how does box fight update the display? Can we go into one game box fight? Oh my god. Not the kid face. Not the kid face. Yeah, by the way, we're gonna remove this jump just because people will play this on mobile. Or not remove this jump, but make it substantially easier. Just because mobile players. No, see, the timer is... Huh? Oh. I mean... the chunk didn't have time to load. What? Okay, so first of all, for box fight, the update did display. Why? Because... But we're blocking on the use loading timer. I don't get it. How is the display updating? If we're blocking, we're not blocking. We're not blocking. That's the difference. See, that is the difference. We are not blocking. That is the difference. That is the difference. See, that's the only reason that we use system.run. And the only reason. So then we don't have to do this use loading timer display thing. Okay, and then we can go into bouncy box. Find our once active. Yeah, so we have this interval. Why are we doing it with an interval? If we don't block anyways. Are we blocking? No, we're not blocking. So we don't need this actually. Parkour? Do we do this in parkour? System.run, okay. Okay. Also not blocking in here. What? That's possible? Huh, that's so cool! Genuinely. Bomba. Oh. 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 They're hacking. Nice hacks. I'm stuck. Well, don't hack. You know, you're behind barriers. Obviously you're stuck. parkour. I just want to see if I messed up the loading timers somehow. Nice try though. Oh. Fuck. Well, GG's. Yeah, but that's working. That is working, okay. Now, I think we're... No, was that all game modes? Wait, so... 3 was... Oh, I'm respawning. Because of respawn sequence. Let's see. Okay. Now this works as well? Wait, I didn't have a timer. Did you guys have a timer? Okay, we're gonna revisit that later. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. So we have everything, right? Everything has a camera, everything has... You guys don't take any knockback. Oh. You don't take knockback at all. That's not me writing, that was Pablo. But yeah, we could... Yeah, okay, so this isn't working. Why? Probably because of the change we did. Where it would only knock back once the game is active, right? Inside. Huh? Oh yeah, is active. So somewhere this is active is not being set correctly. What is this? What are they even talking about? That's crazy. Okay, let's try to fix the bouncy bugs. Let's build battle. Fuck. Okay. By the way, the names are kind of... Okay, it's not fixed. It's not fixed. Why is it not fixed? Why is it not fixed? It doesn't even bounce, does it? Why? Like, it doesn't bounce at all. Do I bounce? No! Why didn't I bounce? Why don't I bounce? My interval is like missing. Like this. It's not doing this. Do I have like a return here which breaks with multiple players? I mean, look, the item use event worked. Do I clear the interval somewhere? I am, but where? Oh no! I know why! I know why! I know why. It's fixed. See? Now the bouncy boxes work. Hey, guys. Why does it say that you're dead? Why is it saying you're dead? The menu is broken for some reason. Oh, maybe it was because of the previous round. Okay. Maybe it was because I ended the round so early. Let's try to... Ouch, I'm dead. Yeah, so... Oh yeah, and there is no check for when the game is won, because I removed that. For the sake of development purposes. I can comment this back in. Reload. There we go. Well, you get bounces back. Yes, you do. Is try get block a thing? When did they add it? Oh, it's a while back. And yes, it is a thing. And yes, it is, I guess, kind of useful. But there needs to be more try methods. Like one is not enough. Okay, yeah. What? Why? Stop abusing. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh shit. Do they take lava damage? I cannot tell. Ay. They don't take lava damage! Die! They're like in creative. Shit. Anyways, that's working again, which is good. Bro had an effect, yeah. I thought of that. Bro cannot win seriously. Okay, so wait. I forgot in Bouncy Box. Not in Bouncy Box, in Box Fight, right? Disposing also means to... Oh, I am doing good, but it never got to the point where it disposed. Oh well. I need this. Also... Oh, I see. The bug their chat? Where's the buggy? Oh, it's like, ooh. No, no, actually no, I don't know what, I don't know, why is it buggy? I don't get it. Anyways, we're just gonna copy this code over to Bouncy Box. Once active, somewhere at the top. Well, I mean, we don't need to add this because people just... Right. But this will be just a simple if statement. Everyone can read simple if statements. And obviously we need to dispose the name tags as well. Okay. So that should be it. Now that should be it, I think. Down with him! Down with the hacker! Let's go! 2 versus 1. Okay, but guys, I think that's I think that's it. Wait, one, because we got everything done, alright? I don't see a thing that we could like improve. I think that's it actually. Unless I'm forgetting something here, but we got all the cameras done. Let me I was ending the stream, okay? I was ending, so we got everything done today what we needed to do. We got, you know, it was fun. I know, right? Many people like this game out, even in the team internally box, like how was it called? Bouncy box itself. Many like that, but yeah. I just joined like last second. I'm sorry, dude. We got everything done, you know. Now it's back to talking with the team. I mean, Pablo is gone. Okay, let's be honest. But Pablo, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Pablo is gone. He is on vacation. That means, yeah. Yeah. Either way, when next stream, I wanna stay tomorrow, but I'm gonna play Uno that I made in Minecraft. Is it for the jam? If it's for a jam, then I'm gonna wait because I wanna do them in like one stream. But yeah, we got very far today. I think we're just one step closer into making everything, or making sure everything's fine. There's probably gonna be more playtests. I'm gonna be honest. There's gonna be more playtests. I don't know if we're gonna do tomorrow. We don't have that much time, like 2 days, since December goes to the 31st, right? Yeah, goes to the 31st. On the 1st, we have to give this project, or we have to submit this project. Let me see the rules again, okay? Let me see the rules again. I also have to write a license and shit. Yeah, see, 1st of January 2025, that's when the project is due. That's not really great time, I'm gonna be honest. But it's not much we're missing. It's not much we're missing. But apparently there's gonna be a 5th game mode, which is gonna be more like a bonus round. So I'm surprised what Yasin is gonna cook, because he's the only one that's actually there. Pablo is said gone. Depending on if it's like tomorrow will be a wild day is all I'm gonna say. Anyways, I'm gonna go play Ratchet and Clank because the game is peak, and I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow with a new game mode and playtests. At least that's what I hope. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Leave a like, please subscribe, check out my other videos, give me the watch time, and I see you all. Bye bye and good night.